Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you a few websites where you can get free imagery from. Obviously in Photoshop it's a really image heavy based software, and what you'll be wanting to do is create some really cool designs using imagery. The only problem is that you're going to have to go out and find these images and you have no place to find them. But we have certain websites that are out there on the internet that we can just simply use their website, and we can create and get some really cool images to work with on our designs in Photoshop. Now, if we go onto the internet here, the three websites I want to talk to you about, one is called Pexels, Pexels. Really cool software for you to get images from. So if I come here and change this to photos, let's say, for example, now I type in beach, and we have all of these software, all these images to use, and they're totally free. We also have Unsplash. Yeah, again, let's put some prompt in here. Let's say landscape. And yet again, all of these images here are perfectly great, and the resolution's perfect, and they're totally free. We also have Life of Pix. Let's say we put in here C. And yet again, what we will see is all of these images that will come up on Life and Pix are totally free for us to use. But let's say, for example, I would like to use this particular image here. If I scroll down and click download in the bottom right there, for instance, that'll be downloaded into my downloads. Then if we go back on to Photoshop, all I simply need to now do is go to File, Place Embedded, come to our downloads. Here is the image that I was referring to, and place. And now that image is here for us to use and to add tones, change the landscape of it, change the size of it and the scale. And we didn't have to pay any type of money at all because we would be able to download them there from those three free websites. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.